Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to convert SUI to USDT on Bitget. The first step would be to open up the centralized exchange on Bitget. Where we have add funds, make sure you click on add funds in order to add your SUI token. But before you do that, make sure you have an account on Bitget. If you do not, use our link in the description. Now go ahead and click on add funds, and where we have deposit crypto, click on deposit crypto. Use the search at the top to search for SUI. Click on the SUI coin, and then go ahead and select the network and just copy its address. All right, the network has been selected, so all you need to do is just copy the address and you're done. So once you've copied your address and you've deposited your SUI tokens, how can you go about converting into the USDT? So click on the convert icon on the home screen menu. Click on this, and then where we have USDT to Bitget coin, switch their places, and then in place of Bitget coin, select the SUI. That's SUI. Click on the coin, and now simply enter the amount of SUI tokens you wish to convert into the USDT, and then click on preview and click on convert, and it's done. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.